After Amitabh Bachchan was recently felicitated for his social work, his daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was honored with an award recently. Aishwarya Rai was felicitated with Giants Award for her contribution to the Indian cinema at an event held in Mumbai.
Honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart for this very, very humbling honor. All that was just announced for me, introducing me, is actually once said, for a true drop in the ocean of incredible contributors to our society. Everybody here on the dais and every one of you giants out there who work tirelessly through the years, endlessly contributing to actually make definitive change and aid society. So truly, my contribution in the world of entertainment is truly that of a pygmy in comparison, Mr. Mahendra. That's as honest as I can get here. And Dr. Ajay Kumar, I think what we have in common from Mangoes, we start on one journey and then we go on to another. Because I too was an aspiring student of medicine, went on to architecture, went on to a pageant and went on to doing movies. But I think what's great is somewhere we find our calling, and I think what we do have in common here is I think we just strive to give our best to whatever we commit to. That's something that we have learned from our elders that is so essentially Indian, something we're just so proud of, our values, our culture, our traditions are about. So we pride ourselves in being Indian and we pride ourselves in being true to who we are and to go out there and put our best forward in whatever we commit to. We recognize the meaning of commitment, and that's something that we hold truly precious to us. I'd like to thank the Giants for having honored members of the family I got married into. I think everybody from my in-laws to my husband have received this honor prior to me. And if I can receive it here in front of you today, it is truly because of the endless perseverance of dear Shaina. I can't thank you enough for enriching my life with this wonderful felicitation today, because 2 years ago is when she first asked me, and as conscientious as she is and well planned, I must share with you, she does ask way in advance, very, very respectful of people's schedules and time, but I was pregnant, so I didn't know what would September look like. So at that point in time, I was like, I'm not sure I can commit now. And then last year, I was immensely busy. Not that that changes. Motherhood is a commitment for life. But it was easier this year for me to be able to come forth and with absolute humility and gratitude accept this felicitation. Thank you so much. And while I did say that I take pride, I stand here that every member of my in-laws, my husband has been felicitated here before. I stand here before you as the seed of my parents. It's because of my parents that I am who I am. It's because of my parents I continue to be who I am. And if I've achieved anything in life, it's thanks to them inculcating in me whatever they have. That means you all see some good in me to honor me with these felicitations. But I thank them for their blessings, their unconditional love, and every one of you for your support throughout my career. Thank you.
The actress, who looked gorgeous as ever in a Sabyasachi outdoor, here's hoping that she returns to acting soon. So guys, do you want to see Aishwarya Rai back in Bollywood? Comment below and let us know. Do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Backstage.